fire up the grill for your favorite dads and grads. Just ahead, we're getting some tips on cooking the perfect salmon this summer, and that surely looks tasty. Genevieve. One of the good things about summer, we could fire up the grill. We have seasonal celebrations like grad parties, of course, celebrating dad in just a couple weeks here. So our grill guru for the day, Patty Mastracco, is here, and she is showing us how to cook up a beautiful California salmon.
So this is California king salmon. It's got a short season. This is the cream of the crop. If you are a foodie, this is the salmon for you.
And we were talking that this is something that's wild caught, right? So
absolutely wild caught, very sustainable. Yeah. So, and it has a short season, so it's only available in restaurants and at high-end grocery stores through early September. Okay, so get it now.
That's so good. You know, when it comes to summer, there's some things we dread, right? Like the hot temperatures. Right. But this is something that you can look forward to: firing up the grill, cooking the California salmon. Yep. You have some recipes. Tell me, what did you cook here for us?
Okay, so here's a cute little appetizer. So I love making these little wonton cups. It's just a wonton skin that's oiled up a little bit, put in a mini muffin cup and baked. And then I've got a nice little Asian mixture of slaw with a little bit of sweet chili oil. And then I put, of course, some grilled salmon on top, and then just topped it with a little bit of cilantro.
I love that. And salmon is one of those cuts, right? It really absorbs a lot of the flavor, no matter what direction you want to take it.
It does. So you can either serve it, you know, a whole fillet, or you can chunk it up and use it in recipes. So this is one of my favorites. This is a grilled Caesar salad.
Delicious.
Yes. So I just put a little bit of Caesar dressing and a little bit of oil on the lettuce, pop it on the grill really fast, cut side down, and it gets a little bit of that nice smoky flavor. So super fun. I added grilled, you know, chunked up salmon, some tomatoes. You can throw on some avocado if you want, and I'm going to give it a little bit.
And this is great for summer too, because a salad is always nice, a little light, refreshing, especially on a hot day like today. Yep. Love the little Parmesan on top. That's going to be so tasty.
It's just a little different to grill it, and it's really pretty. Instead of just putting out the usual Caesar salad, you know, of course add the salmon for flavor, but it's just kind of fun.
And it looks like a big cut like this one could go a long way. I'm sure you can make all three dishes. What do we have here?
Okay, so this one is a maple bourbon glaze. And so I just took some butter and some maple syrup and some bourbon and melted it together. And then I'm going to add a little bit of pepper. You can either add...
So the spice is optional.
Yeah, I really like this Aleppo pepper that you can find in all major grocery stores. So a little bit of that, or just a little bit of crushed red pepper, so you get the sweet and you get a little tangy, you get the buttery, and you get a little heat too. So
that is amazing. I like all the different flavors, what you did with each dish. I need to try this one. This one's going to have a good crunch to it. I could already tell. Yeah. So what's this one again?
So it's an Asian slaw with a little bit of with cabbage and red onion and drippy, yes, a little bit of sesame oil, but really super tasty. And the salmon, you know, it's like tangy, and then you get that nice bite of salmon, which is, the king salmon is just so buttery and rich.
I took a big bite, Patty.
Really good, huh?
All right, it feels like summer, Genevieve.